guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie, and for today's video, I'm going to talk about my braces. So this is my second braces video, thus my second update, and you guys have been asking me a lot of questions in my last video and I never really got to answer them. You guys have also been asking if I'm going to make another update video, so here we are. Today's video is so exciting because I just found out when I will have these bad boys removed. I am so excited. The day that I found out when I'm going to have them removed, I was almost crying because this braces journey has been so hard, and it's kind of funny because I'm almost hitting 1 year and this is the only time that I'm actually embracing them and getting used to them. Anyway, if you are new to my channel, then welcome and I hope you stick around till the end of the video. So if you guys are curious when I'm going to have these removed, then just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to give you guys like the general update on things. So first, we're going to talk about the progress. So my upper teeth are actually already aligned and I kind of want to get them off already, but my dentist didn't recommend it. So my dentist found out that my teeth are very reactive to each other. So if he removed the upper brackets, then it might create like a negative effect on the lower portion. And actually now, since my upper teeth are now aligned, we're focusing more on aligning the lower part of my teeth and correcting my bite. For the past 2 months, I've been wearing elastics or rubber bands, and it wasn't really that bad. It's just kind of difficult to remember to put them back on, but I swear to you, if you always wear your rubber bands as what your dentist prescribes you to, I mean how long he prescribes you to wear it, because for me, I had to wear it like 24/7 even while eating, but for some people, they're only required to wear it at night. So whatever your dentist will tell you, please just follow what he says, because that's just gonna speed up the process of your braces journey. So like I said, I had to wear them 24/7, and the only thing that I had difficulty with was actually remembering to put them back on after every time I eat. The dentist actually told me to wear them even while I'm eating, but dude, it's just so hard to eat rice when you have the elastics on because everything gets stuck. I mean, everything already gets stuck in the brackets just with the braces, but with the elastics on, it's just twice as hard. So I'm going to show you guys the kind of elastics that my dentist gave me. So the elastics that I use is the True Force Orthodontics elastics. I have the one in green, which is pretty much just a mix of all kinds of thickness and diameter. So my dentist wasn't really particular with the kind of elastics because he told me that the only thing he wants the elastics to do is to reinforce the adjustment of my braces. So according to him, elastics actually speeds up the adjustment or the movement of your teeth. There were so many times that my dentist told me that I have to wear the braces for 2 years, but I am so surprised that it's been cut short. Guys, I'm getting my braces removed at the end of the year. So that's almost 1 year and just like a few months. Hindi ko nakakompletuhin yung 2 years. And I'm so excited because we're already in July. So that's just a few months away. Sobrang naiiyak ako with the thought na matatanggal na yung braces ko. Having my braces actually made me super duper insecure, especially on YouTube. If you guys have noticed, ever since I got my braces, sobrang hirap ako magsalita. I don't know, I don't know, I just find it so weird. And even when I look back on my previous videos, hindi ko talaga nakikilala yung sarili ko. And even my boyfriend tells me, who you? Pag nakikita niya yung mga luma ko na video, I just look so different. But kung kailan ako ng 1 year, that's the only time I got used to my braces. So if you are just about to get braces or if you just started, I pray that you adjust to it a lot better than I did. I'm going to answer a few questions that you guys sent me on my last video. So I'm just going to check it out. Okay, so one of the questions comes from Roland Flores and he asks, do you have to wear a retainer for the rest of your life? I actually already answered this and I said yeah, pretty much, but somebody else commented that it depends on your teeth. Actually, I am not sure if it really does depend on your teeth, but my brother had braces and he actually was required to wear retainers as well for the rest of his life, but he didn't follow that. So 2 years after getting braces, his teeth already started to move and ngayon nagpapatong na siya ulit. So that's a big problem. So in my case, my dentist told me that I need to wear my retainers 24/7 for 1 year and then only at nighttime for the rest of my life. Which I kind of don't really mind that as long as I don't really need to wear my braces again. Another question or comment said, I was waiting for you to explain about dental wax. I've seen it, but I don't know what it's used for. So I'm gonna show you guys what dental wax looks like. So this is my case of dental wax. It really just comes in a tiny case, and inside you have like 4 sticks of wax. And what you do is you basically just cut a small piece, roll it into a ball, and then you stick it on the parts of your brackets that rub against your inner cheek. What this is going to do is to kind of prevent you from having sores, and it also aids you from discomfort. Your dentist should give you dental wax because it's a no-brainer that the first time you get your braces, it's going to hurt so much and magkakaroon ka ng maraming singaw. You need this, and if your dentist ever forgets to give, okay, so like what I was saying, you need this, and if ever your dentist forgets to give you this, please ask him or her for this. Another question comes from, hindi ko mabasa yung name niya, but I'll just put the screenshot here anyway. So this person asks, ano pong toothpaste yung gamit nyo or ginagamit nyo? You know, it's really not different. I don't use a special toothpaste. I just use the regular Colgate. Mark Reyes asks, how about rice? Well, I'm not sure what you're talking about when you ask this question, but you can eat rice when you have braces on, but it's just a little difficult because it gets stuck in your brackets. And if you are asking about what kind of food you can eat when you just get your braces, it's actually difficult to chew rice. I mean, in my case, it's hard to chew rice, but it's a lot better kung it comes in like a porridge or lugaw form. Another person writes that if I drink coffee, then I should use straws. Well, I'm not completely against that. I mean, I would do that with iced coffee, but I really wouldn't do that with hot coffee because that's just a little bit weird for me. But I like your idea because coffee kind of stains your elastics or rubber bands. So that was my problem for a while because my first rubber bands or the color of the elastics that were holding the actual wire of my braces were gray. I wanted to get gray because I figured that it wouldn't be obvious. It would make my braces or teeth just very neat, and I just didn't really want to draw attention to my mouth. But the problem is, I think on my first month after the pain subsided, I ate curry, I drank a lot of coffee, so eventually the gray elastics kind of turned into like a really gross yellow color. My elastics now are actually clear. Now, I didn't know that there's actually clear elastics. If I had known earlier, sana yun na lang yung kinuha ko. I've had this for probably like 1 week in my mouth now, and I've been drinking coffee, and so far it really hasn't stained as long as you gargle after drinking coffee. I would definitely recommend that if you guys don't want your braces to be noticeable or if you don't want to draw attention to it, then just get the clear elastic. It really makes a huge difference. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder now. It's a lot neater and it just looks a lot better if you are the type of person who doesn't want the attention to your braces at all. So I think that's about it. If you guys have some questions about my braces, then let me know in the comment section down below so I can make another video and answer them for you guys. Basically, the only thing that I don't like about my adjustment this month is the dentist did warn me that I'm going to have a gap here in front. I'm kind of channeling like Demi Lovato in her younger days, pero sa baba yung gap. So yeah, let me kind of do a quick look for you guys. So this is it. There's like a small hole there. I didn't really like it kasi feeling ko para akong hillbilly in a way. Pero it's not really noticeable, especially if you don't like really do that and show people your mouth. So I hope that you guys found this video really helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I put up videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Every Wednesday I put up videos like vlogs, routines, lifestyle, advice, anything about braces. And on Saturdays I post about skincare and makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Saturday. Bye!